Hi, I'm Neil. I'm here on the exhibition floor at the DJI booth, and I'm here to talk with Arnaud about the Windows 10 SDK for some of the DJI drones. So first of all, tell me about the Windows 10 SDK. What will you be able to do when you're using it with a drone?
So the Windows SDK is going to give the controls for people from their hands to control pretty much everything they want to do with a drone. Getting the video feed, navigation, missions, all sorts of controls, gimbal, etc.
So right now, what drones does it support?
Currently, it supports the Mavic Air through Wi-Fi or through USB to the remote controller, but we'll extend the coverage to pretty much all of our range of products.
So in regards to the SDK, how can people get hold of the SDK?
So currently, it's an exclusivity for build attendees. Following this, in the next few weeks, we'll open up a complete page for the rest of the world to start playing around with the beta of the Windows SDK. And we're looking at a final release by the end of this year, or around fall.
Okay. Well, that's great. Well, thank you. Thanks a million for talking to me today.